question honestly. What's your biggest excuse? मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मैं छोटी जगह से हूँ, मेरे से नहीं होगा. I have heard them all. But today I'll introduce to a man who had nothing but still changes thousands of lives. Because remember, excuses doesn't build empires, real effort does. You want to build something great, you want to live a life your parents can proud of, then stop waiting for the perfect conditions. Because the perfect time will never come. And if you keep finding reasons to quit, you'll keep missing reasons to win. Let me prove it with you one real powerful story. Have you ever heard of Karimul Haq? He was a tea garden worker in West Bengal. Poor, no schooling, lived in a remote village, no ambulance, no hospital nearby. One night, his mother fell seriously ill. That night, he tried to get help, but there was no ambulance. She passed away in front of him. That night, he cried, but the next morning, he decided, मैं किसी और को अपनी माँ के जैसा नहीं देख सकता. Now imagine a man with no degree, no medical training, no money. What can he do? He had only one thing, a second-hand motorcycle. He turned into ambulance. Yes, for the next 20 plus years, he carried thousands of sick people from his remote village to hospital for free on his bike. No excuses, no government support, no spotlight, just one mission. जिंदगी बचानी है. He has now helped over 5,000 people, got award Padma Shri by Government of India, from a tea worker to a real life hero. Not because he had resources, but because he had intentions. Now tell me something. What's your excuse again? You don't have a laptop? He didn't have an ambulance. You're from a small town? He was from a jungle village. You feel tired? He drove day and night to save strangers. If he can build something with nothing, so why can't you start with something? Stop saying मैं कर क्या सकता हूँ. Start saying मैं करने क्या जा रहा हूँ. Because empire doesn't mean millions of followers. It means millions of impact. Even if it's just one life, one step at a time. This was day 10 of our 30-day challenge and today I want to remember just one thing. जितने भी लोग सफल हुए हैं ना, उन्होंने कभी excuses नहीं दिए, उन्होंने हर प्रॉब्लम को एक चांस बनाया. So comment below no more excuses and share this video that your friend जो हमेशा बोलते हैं कि कल से शुरू करूंगा and subscribe my channel for tomorrow video. Your circle is your future.